Open the software and import an image. You can click Import an image in the upper right corner, or drag it directly into the editing box. Click Area Mode after importing the picture. You can adjust the size of the image through the mouse wheel, or through the keys in the lower left corner or using the cursor. Clicking the button plus will increase the zoom multiplier of the image. Click the square button on the right to restore the original size. Click Original in the upper left corner to view the original image. Click Result on the right to view the effect of the editing. Click Gallery button to view the gray mode of the picture after processing. Color number can be adjusted by dragging the cursor. Up to 64 colors were supported. The image will be more close to original with more colors. Click Stack Scan button to view the accumulation scan mode of the image. Enhance Edge can be adjusted by dragging the cursor. You will get the stronger and more detailed of the enhancement effect with the greater of the number. On the contrary, the smaller of the numbers will simplify the image. Smooth radius can be adjusted by dragging the cursor. Super Vectorizer supports selection of the 1-to-30 smooth radius. The larger of the smooth radius will make the color block flatter. Conversely, the smaller of the numbers will lead to the more color blocks. You will get the finer image. Combine similar regions. The more you go right side, you will get the more the merged areas and the more simplified image. Conversely, the image produced is closer to the original image. Remove small regions. There is a selection range of 0 to 100. The larger the number, the more areas will be deleted. More small areas will be retained with the smaller selection numbers and it will keep more details.